Have you ever wondered how important salt is to the daily functioning of the human body? Sodium is used by the body to keep fluid levels stable. For the heart, liver, and kidneys to function properly, there needs to be a balance between fluid and sodium. It controls blood chemistry and guards against low blood pressure. If you stay until the end of this video, you'll learn 4 additional benefits of Celtic salt. With that being said, let's get into the information that I am going to be sharing with you today. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Celtic salt in particular and some of its many benefits to the human body. Let's briefly look at what is salt and a little backstory on the history of where Celtic salt is mainly harvested. Salt is a mineral composed mainly of sodium chloride, a chemical compound belonging to the larger class of salts. Salt in its natural form as a crystalline mineral is known as rock salt or halite. Salt is present in vast quantities in seawater, where it is the main mineral constituent. The open ocean has about 35 grams, 1.2 ounces, of solids per liter, a salinity of 3.5%. Salt is essential for life in general, and saltiness is one of the basic human tastes. Salt can be obtained from many sources, such as seawater, rock salt, and even plants and animals. It's estimated that we consume approximately 10 grams, 0.35 ounces, of salt each day on average. Celtic salt is a type of unrefined sea salt that is located and hand-harvested from the coast of Brittany in France. It is also known as sel de Guérande and is used in many French dishes. It is different from other types of salt because it is less processed and has a higher mineral content. It is not just rich in minerals but also trace elements, which are essential for the body to function properly. Celtic salt also has a high alkalinity, which helps to balance the pH of the body. Also, it is known for its detoxifying properties, as it helps to remove toxins from the body. Additionally, Celtic salt has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce swelling and pain in the body. It also supports the human body by promoting a healthy digestive system, reducing inflammation, and boosting the immune system. Additionally, because of the slow evaporation process, this results in a salt that is rich in magnesium, calcium, potassium, and iron. The distinctive gray color of Celtic salt comes from the clay that is found at the bottom of the Celtic Sea. This clay helps to absorb impurities from the salt as it dries. The most notable difference is the presence of magnesium, which is believed to be very beneficial for the human body. It supports muscle and neuron function as well as energy synthesis in the body, among many other vital functions. Typically, low magnesium levels don't result in any symptoms. However, persistently low levels can raise the risk of type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, migraines, depression, and heart disease. Magnesium also helps to relax muscles, reduce stress levels, and is vital for the proper functioning of the nervous system, and can also help to improve sleep quality. It also helps to prevent osteoporosis and can improve the symptoms of anxiety and depression. So, including it in your diet can help to improve your overall health. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. Unfortunately, many people do not get enough magnesium from their diet and as a result, suffer from magnesium deficiency. Symptoms of magnesium deficiency include anxiety, irritability, fatigue, muscle weakness, and depression. Research has shown that magnesium supplementation can help to improve these symptoms. It is a common misconception that magnesium can only be found in dark green leafy vegetables. However, magnesium is actually found in many different foods, one of which is Celtic salt. It is also important for bone health, as it helps to absorb calcium and keep bones strong and healthy. Getting enough magnesium from using Celtic salt can help to prevent these conditions. Potassium, the benefits of potassium. How does it help the body? Potassium is an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance in the body. It is also necessary for nerve function and muscle contraction. It is involved in many vital processes, including heart function and water balance. Without enough potassium, these processes can't work properly. Potassium also helps to maintain a healthy blood pressure by balancing out sodium levels. It also helps to keep bones strong and prevent osteoporosis. Plus, potassium can help protect against stroke and other cardiovascular diseases. Calcium, and some of its benefits. There are many benefits of calcium. It is not only good for the bones and teeth, but also for the muscles, heart, and nerves. It helps to regulate blood pressure and heartbeat, and is essential for proper muscle contraction. It also helps prevent osteoporosis, a condition in which the bones become weak and break easily. Iron and its boost to the blood. The body needs the mineral iron for growth and development. Your body requires iron to create the proteins myoglobin, which oxygenates muscles, and hemoglobin, which is found in red blood cells and delivers oxygen from the lungs to all areas of the body. Iron is required by your body to create certain hormones. Celtic salt is obviously a healthier salt alternative. It also has a lower sodium content than regular table salt, making it a better choice for those with high blood pressure or heart problems. There are many health benefits that come from using Celtic sea salt. For one, the calcium is good for bone health, and the potassium can help to regulate blood pressure. In addition, the lower sodium content of Celtic salt means that it doesn't contribute to high blood pressure like regular table salt can. Additionally, it can help improve digestion and prevent constipation. The high mineral content in Celtic salt helps to regulate water balance in the body and keeps the digestive system running smoothly. Another benefit of Celtic is that it can help to boost your energy levels. This is because Celtic salt contains minerals that are essential for a variety of body functions, such as potassium and magnesium. These minerals help to convert food into energy, which helps to keep you feeling alert and focused throughout the day. It also helps to improve immunity by providing the body with antioxidants, which help to protect cells from damage. Here are 4 additional benefits of Celtic sea salt. First, it helps to heal skin damage. For skin that is injured or damaged, Celtic sea salt is a common soak or wash. It is additionally advised to be used as an exfoliant. While the trace minerals work as a soothing balm to the wounded skin, the salt itself functions as a disinfectant and reduces any inflammation. Acne, rosacea, and rashes can all benefit from salt washes. However, frequent treatments can be highly drying to delicate skin, thus it is advised to apply a moisturizing lotion almost immediately thereafter. Second, it promotes healthy cell growth. It is believed that there are over 92 trace minerals in Celtic sea salt. For many fundamental body processes, 24 of those minerals are thought to be absolutely necessary. Insufficient intake of these essential 24 minerals can lead to suboptimal brain function, nervous system disorders, and muscle spasms. Additionally, sea salt facilitates fluid movement from the bloodstream and throughout the body more easily. Regular table salt can cause kidney problems or an accumulation of fluid in the joints, as well as edema. Third, it reduces mucus. Celtic salt, a superb dehydrator, can help reduce nose and sinus puffiness as well as any mucus buildup in the lungs. Also, it is suggested as a treatment for water and fluid retention in the joints. Fourth, it relieves joint pain. Recent studies have shown that taking a high salt bath with a salinity of at least 25% can reduce the swelling and inflammation caused by osteoarthritis around the joints. Low salt solutions may in fact make areas of inflammation worse, whereas high salt content causes the cells surrounding the swollen area to become dehydrated and reduces inflammation. Celtic sea salt is a great way to add minerals to the body and improve overall health. It is also a natural anti-inflammatory and can help with a variety of ailments. It is a great addition to any diet and can help the body in many ways. It is available in both coarse and fine varieties. The coarse variety is better for cooking, while the fine variety is better for using as a table salt. You can also find Celtic salt that has been infused with herbs or spices, which can add flavor to your food. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope this video was helpful.